on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making goulash. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of water, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 2 15-ounce cans of petite diced tomatoes, 1 29-ounce can of tomato sauce, 1 medium onion diced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. You need 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper divided, 1/2 tablespoon of salt. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that's optional, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Guys, we're also going to need a 1-pound box of elbow macaroni. In a heated saucepan over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion, and I'm going to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can add in your ground beef. We're going to go in and break up our ground beef. You want to make sure it's mixed well with your onion. Now we're going to add in our 1/2 tablespoon of ground black pepper and also our 1/2 tablespoon of salt. You want to mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to continue to cook our ground beef until it's brown all the way through. Once your ground beef is done cooking all the way through, we're going to turn off our heat and we're going to drain it of all excess grease. Now we're going to get a large pot. We're going to put it on medium heat and we're going to add our ground beef in. Now I'm going to add in my tablespoon of minced garlic. You just want to go ahead and mix that around so it's well combined. Now I'm going to add in my beef broth. I'm also going to add in my water. And you also want to add in your Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm going to mix it until it's well combined. You want to have your heat on high. Now you want to add in your petite diced tomatoes. Now we can add in our tomato sauce. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. I'm going to add in my Italian seasoning, my garlic powder, onion powder, ground black pepper, and also my sugar. Remember guys, that's optional. You can go ahead and give it a mix. Make sure it's well combined. We're going to bring this up to a boil. And guys, you can go ahead and give it a taste. If you want to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. Once it starts to come to a boil, we're going to add in our 2 bay leaves. You can just go ahead and press them down in there. So now we're going to cover it. And we're going to lower our heat to low. And we're going to let it simmer for 15 minutes. And you want to stir occasionally. After 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our box of elbow macaroni. We're going to mix it until it's well combined. And you want to place your lid over top, and we're going to let it simmer for another 15 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes and look how delicious this looks. It tastes really good. I already tasted it. So now we're going to go ahead and remove our bay leaves. Okay guys, so here we have it, our delicious goulash. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet? Y'all hungry yet? Come back real soon, I got more to serve. Y'all hungry yet? See you next time.